Okay, I'm testing a cold start with this computer, which is a Dell Optiplex 3020, and I recently put a Samsung EVO 860 SSD in this computer, and I'm going to see how long it takes for this computer to boot up from a cold start. Okay. That didn't take very long, did it? That was like pretty quick. That was a pretty quick startup. Yeah, just by adding an SSD in a computer, you could really improve the performance of a computer. This is why every computer should have a SSD in it, in my opinion. Okay, thanks for watching.